In December of 2020, right in the middle of a pandemic, when most people were worried about survival, I published a book about building an ATM business. People thought I was crazy. Phil, nobody uses cash anymore. Digital payments are taking over. Why would you write a book about ATMs now? But here's what people didn't understand, and what I'm about to show you is exactly why that was a perfect time to document over 25 years of real-world experience. Today I'm going to share with you the real reason why I wrote the book, what I learned from the process, and why the timing that seemed crazy to everyone else was actually strategic. Because sometimes the best moves look like the worst moves until you understand what's really happening. Back in 2020, I sat down to write a book on the ATM business because I wanted to show my kids, hey, if their dad could write a book, then they could too. Plus, I was honestly tired of answering the same old questions over and over and over and over again. So I put everything down in one place. Now, during the pandemic, everyone thought cash was going to disappear. But guess what? The opposite actually happened. ATM usage shot way up. The government handed out money on debit cards, and people needed to pull that money out of somewhere, and they chose ATMs, which meant the ATM business actually was booming. So I documented not just the basics, but the real hard-earned lessons from my 25 years in the ATM business. Actually, strategies that worked, the mistakes I made, and the case studies I learned from. By the end of the year, the book was done, and I launched the program to help others get into the ATM business, something I've been teaching since 2000. Writing that book and seeing the results taught me 3 principles about documentation, timing, and why experience matters more than trends. Number 1, experience comes from decades of practice, not from reading other people's content and repackaging it. Number 2, the best time to share knowledge is when others are running away from it. That's when serious people are looking for the truth. And number 3, systems and processes from real experience creates results rather than theoretical knowledge ever could. Okay, before we get to the rest of the video, I want to ask you guys a question of the day. How it works is I ask you guys a question and you type in your answers in the comment section below. Here's the question. How did you utilize your downtime during the pandemic? I'm excited to read your answers in the comment section below. All right, let's get back to the video. First, I want to highlight the difference that 25 years of actual ownership and operation compared to folks who might just have owned a couple of ATMs for a year or so. With the quarter century of experience, I've seen multiple economic cycles, regulatory changes, tech shifts, and all kinds of market conditions that only real longevity can teach you. That meant I know how the ATM business weathers recessions, adapts to new payment techs, and which models survive in the long run. Second, I strategically published during the pandemic when everyone else was panicked about a cashless society. From experience, I knew the economic stress actually increases cash usage, and that predictions of going fully digital had been wrong for decades. ATMs meet fundamental needs no matter what trends come and go, and that timing helped attract serious operators while filtering out other trend chasers. Finally, the book is not just another guide. It's full of exact placement strategies that I used, the real contracts I negotiated, and the specific problems I solved over 25 years. Readers have used it to skip the mistakes I made early on, replicating my success and building their own business faster because they had a clear roadmap towards ATM business success. The timing of launching this book right in the middle of a pandemic is proof that experience beats hype. While trend followers were doubting everything, those of us with real experience knew the truth. 25 years in the business is rare and valuable, especially in an industry most people just don't understand. This book became another way to help people beyond just YouTube videos and course creation, something that they can reference, study, and implement at their own pace. What separates real expertise from internet gurus is simple: decades of actual experience that I'm handing you so you don't have to spend 25 years of learning what I already know. Subscribe for real insights and expertise, check out our book, and remember, don't learn from people who just read about the business. Learn from somebody who lived it for 25 years and documented it all.